What's up, guys? So I just want to make a recap video on a stock that we've been trading quite a bit as of recently. Okay. So first things first, let's kind of go over the chart, why we took the trade, etc. So first, this is oil stock within energy. So if we look at XLE, you can kind of see we've been on this downtrend for XLE. And you can see we've been creating, like, at first it looks like a bull flag, but then continue to just trade lower and continuing the series of lower highs and lower lows. Okay. So that's the first thing. On top of that, if we go look at APA, and this is the stock we shorted to the downside. So first time we shorted it, it was somewhere in here, and caught 35%, and then started shorting it again, caught another 35%. And then the big winner that ended up going around 75 to 100% was this move here. We entered on this day once this candle closed here, and we caught that move down. And we're all out for now. People could have held runners if they wanted to because there is a bigger setup in play here, and we'll go over that too. So if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see we've kind of got this monstrous head and shoulders pattern here, and an already downtrend, right? So you can see head and shoulders pattern played out here as well. We got a nice few lower highs and lower lows as a result of that. Similar thing here, 2 week to even create that right shoulder and then continued lower. And so you can see here, what got me really interested was we didn't, a lot of times I like to anticipate breaks, but on this one I didn't have to. So that's kind of the nice part. We had this break here, was creating a squeeze on the lower time frames and the weekly time frame below this key resistance here. And so what I was looking for was, you could see these orange bars indicate that we had sell signals on multiple time frames. And so that's just saying that we had multiple time frames and downtrends, and multiple squeezes, so on and so forth. And so that's why we've been shorting this the past couple of weeks. And so when we look at this, we had a daily squeeze that was pushing to the downside. We had sell signals. We had a weekly squeeze that was pushing to the downside, which is trying to fire off this week. But yeah, it just turned out to be a great trade, and was able to catch a nice short to the downside on APA. And we caught, it was about a 10% dump on this move in 2 days. So I hope this helps. That's kind of the reasoning behind the trade, and it turned out to be a nice winner. And I'll continue to keep it on the radar. Doesn't look as good as it once did, but with that weekly squeeze firing off, I think we could see some more downside for sure. Especially the fact that the daily squeeze hasn't fired off. But all right, guys, hope this helps, and I'll see you guys for the next update.